Imagine hiccuping non-stop for 68 years. Charles Osborne did just that, setting the record for the longest bout of hiccups in history. It all began in 1922 after a farm accident where he fell while attempting to weigh a hog. The hiccups started immediately and persisted relentlessly, occurring up to 40 times per minute during the early years. Despite consulting numerous doctors, Osborne never found a cure, but he remarkably adapted to his condition, even marrying and having children. His hiccuping finally stopped in 1990, a full year before his death. This bizarre and seemingly endless ordeal makes any brief hiccup spell we experience feel trivial. How did he cope with such an unusual affliction for most of his life, and what kept him going? His story is a testament to resilience and the mysteries of the human body, leaving us to wonder what other strange records history holds.